Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is August 29th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, NASDAQ Composite, and NASDAQ 100. So let's start right away with the VIX. So Friday, we had a super big increase in the VIX, an increase of 3.78, I think. And today we are also getting higher. Higher VIX means that the stock market is in fear mode and the stocks are going down. This is the channel that the VIX is now in. So it seems like we have reached this resistance right here. I am basing this resistance on these three candles here. So this is a very early resistance trend line. So I reserve the right to adjust it if need be. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones has broken the channel. This is not really good for people that want to go long. So this is now a resistance. We have broken outside of this big channel right here. This is not good news for the stock market. If we take a look at the indicators, so stochastic at 5, extremely low. MACD crossed over bearish. We don't have RSI and we don't have DMI. Let's look at S&P 500. Same thing with S&P 500. We have broken outside of the upward channel right here. So this is now, we can now call this a resistance. And this is the current downtrend that we are in. So you know what this means. This is the channel that we seem to be in. It's not precise yet because I don't have much candle to base it on. So let's just put this here as temporary. So this seems to be the channel that we are in right now. And if this is true, within a couple of weeks, we could see S&P 500 at 3680 something. This would be possible. We have a stochastic at 4, extremely low. There is no force in S&P 500. In terms of NASDAQ Composite, we were a little bit higher than the other previous indicators, but right now we also broke outside of it. Guys and girls, this is not the time to go into the stock market yet. Tides are turning, the current is turning. If you are a little bit more short-term oriented, you could think about selling some stuff just in case. If you don't want to lose anything that you have gained in the past couple of months. And let's look at NASDAQ 100, the same thing with NASDAQ 100. We came out of the channel, and this is the steepness of the descent that we are in right now. Thanks to Jerome Powell, he has broken the stock market at least temporarily. Let's see in the next couple of days if things are going to pick up or not. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.